going to Little Craft the Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Little Craft. Additional information about this show and my podcast show, Arts, Custom, and Everything in Between, can be found on my website, eileenthelittlecraft.com. Alrighty guys, so I wanted to take a in-depth look of the Happy Memory kit. This one, let me see. I don't know if it has a name. I tried to look for it on the MAMBI site. But I don't think this probably does. I mean, all of them have like a little name or stuff. So anyways, I like this one because it has a little bit of that rose gold. I'm not really crazy about pink, but I'll work around it. And I know rose gold is like a pinky gold, but I don't know, I kind of like that. It's weird. Anyway, so what I did was I just opened the box. Sorry for the glare. And I really didn't like take a look inside because I wanted to open it with you guys. So first off, you see these awesome stickers. So let's take it out of the pack so you guys can see what this looks like. I actually think that's really pretty. I may not be a pink person, but actually this is really, really pretty. Kind of almost looks like a copper to me, this particular rose gold. Some rose golds look a little more coppery. So that's kind of like my favorite memories, happy life, document, love it, note it, true story, what does it say? Where love begins, captured, my favorite, cheetah spots, happy memories, noted, it's in the little things, documented, sweet memories, our happy place, happy times, and more of that. So we have some dated stickers, some flags, and some of the flags have words on them. It says, love making memories with you, the best time with the best people, a few of my favorite, I think that's stories, smile, perfectly imperfect, home sweet home, love you more, love one another, you are my sunshine, happy, my heart is full, excuse me, our happy place, I'm going to skip over, enjoy this moment, love this day, loving this, best, so much fun. Alrighty, so you get a few stickers. I've also ordered a few of their stickers, so I think that that's just there to keep it in place. And you get some washi, let's see, washi, thin washi. Sorry about the noise. I thought I would not have to do that. So this is the washi. Ooh, love the fact that it's black and white. Yes, and it's thin. Okay, so I'm trying to figure this out right here. Okay, so here we go. So that's cheetah print, black and white, and some thin washi tape, black and white. So cool because I have washi tape that is like a silver. I don't have any rose gold. Maybe I might pick it up. I don't know. We shall see. We shall see. This is just to hold it in. So we are going to take the actual book out. Woohoo! Yes. So this was not a part of my birthday haul, but I got it before my birthday. So we got some little date stickers. And okay, so we need to take this off. So I'm just gonna snip it off right here and move this out the way. More plastic. Alright, so we got some cute little dated stickers. True stories of a happy life. This happy memory keeping book belongs to Plan a Happy Life. And here is what this front looks like. A few of my favorite stories. It comes undated, so that's cool. I already have a memory that I want to place in here. So this is the calendar. So I have a memory already. And so this, it comes like in a weekly. I guess this is where you put your stuff at. You can write a little story about it. I guess like decorate. Let me make sure I'm in frame. A quote. This is loving, thankful for, thinking of, going, wearing, excited for. That's pretty cool. These are gold, but I don't. I don't know. I don't think I'll be adding anything else to this, so, and so that goes like that. Gratitude noted. So that's what the weekly looks like. Alright, so let's just go with the, and, oh, okay, so this is what the weekly looks like, and then we have a little bit of, let's see, the month captured, loved it, favorite memories of the month, what we celebrated, and note to self. Ooh, yeah. So that's gonna be really exciting. Okay, my memory loves you. It asks about you all the time. Oh, that is so cool. So that's what that's about. And then we have this one. Let me see if what we captured, the feeling, the time, date, location, people. So this is pretty. I think that, let's see. Let's see. Is it? So event, date, time, location. So all this right here is the same as the last one. So that's cool. I like that. I like when it's consistent. 360 days. The days are long, but oh, the years are short. Aww. That's cute. It's true though. Especially when you have a child. That's cute. Oh, that's pretty. So yes. I love it. Document, polka dots at the top. So that's cute. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to start this bad boy. This is really cute. I mean, it's not really my style. I mean, I do love cats, so the leopard print is kind of my style, but pink and rose gold are not. But the rose gold is kind of growing on me a little bit, so, yeah, I don't know. Maybe my girly side is kicking back in. When I was a kid, I think I liked pink, but, I'm not too sure about that. So, this is cute. I love that. Is that like a zebra or tiger? I don't know. Okay, so these look like medium discs. They don't look like the small ones, so I think that this is like the classic size. Again, I don't know if I'll change them out for another color, but we shall see, because I'm digging the black. This is really pretty. Love that. Sparkly. So yeah, so this is really cute. I really just wanted to share this with you guys because I'm so excited I got it. Honestly, I was like, no, I'm not gonna get it. I already have the other type little memory thingy, and I was like, you know what? I really like this. I've seen it in a couple of videos, I think it was, and you know, I have a lot of the big ideas, my favorite memories. Love the fact that it's black and not page. Cream. Look, and I saw this one and I was like, oh, even though it does have the pink, I love the fact that it's black and white and has like a, even though it's pink, a pop of color, and the rose gold is like, ah! Okay. You guys. Yes, I'm wearing the, which probably needs to be washed, one of my many gray sweaters. I'm like a gray sweater person. See how boring I am? And yes, I did my nails. Gotta fix them though. You can find that video here. I kind of did that one. Yes, I did. I'm losing my mind. I just felt like doing something different. But anyways, anything that is ever really lost to us, as nothing, excuse me, nothing is ever really lost to us, as long as we remember it. Aww. That is so true. And then this is, oh, the best day. And then you capture, love this, best day. So yeah, so this kind of, a little bit more stuff. this is, I guess, like extra special pictures. And, ooh, birthday. So yeah, I didn't really take a picture of me on my birthday, so I may just take a picture of myself and what I wore that day, I guess, because I decked myself out in all Hello Kitty, which I broke my rule. I have Hello Kitty clothing. You guys are gonna laugh at this one. I have Hello Kitty clothing, and I normally do not wear Hello Kitty. Like, if I wear a top, I won't wear Hello Kitty like design pants. Well, on my birthday, the sweater that I wore is kind of Hello Kitty-ish, and then it's Hello Kitty from Torrid, and I wore the Torrid Hello Kitty pants, so I will definitely be taking a picture of that. I would definitely be showing some of this. So yeah, so this is cool. This is nice. Hip hip hooray. We have a bunch of birthdays coming up. So let's see what's going on back here. Oh, so this is birthdays. Okay, so we got birthdays. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so this is birthdays. Vacation, which we're due for one. Happy day. And days of gratitude. Sweet memories. Ooh, like that. Summer. You know, this kind of would really go nicely. I honestly think kind of like with the wellness extension pack, because it kind of has that same kind of vibe, you know, of being gratitude and grateful and, you know, all that good fun summer stuff. 30 days, more 30 days of gratitude. Autumn memories, so you get a little cool little autumn memories. 30 days of gratitude. Yes, yes, yes. Loving that. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get my stickers from Blitzy. And 30 days of gratitude for that one. Oh, Christmas, my favorite traditions. Oh my goodness, yes. This is so cool. I don't know if I'm going to document this. Maybe I might document this Christmas. So, I mean, I know that we're already in 2018, but I have a bunch of cool little pictures that would go great in this Christmas. And, yeah. So, yes. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I have a lot of little pictures, but I may have to, I don't know. I have a bunch of little pictures. Okay, so we'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. And then this one is 30 Days of Gratitude. And that is the end of the book. So thank you for taking a peek inside what is in the kit of the memory box. And thank you for joining me. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. This was part of my Michaels haul. And yeah, so I'll link you to that video so you guys can see what else I got over at Michaels. And it's a little dusty. But I'm so super excited that I got this. I cannot wait! Anyway, so if you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. Or you can always email me your comments or questions. My email is eileen@eileenlittlecrafter.com. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you and have an awesome day. Bye for now.